Hi there, I'm Teddy Sumude with Remax First, and welcome to 1945 40th Street. This is a little quiet street that kind of sits off by itself, so it's very private. Very few homes come on the market on this street, but this is a full duplex. So it was originally two homes. Now it's one nice big single family home with a nice backyard. Lots of opportunity here to come in and make this house your own. It's got 6 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 big family rooms. So come on in, take a look around. If you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. But let's go take a look. This is the family room, has access to the wonderful backyard that I talked about. Then your kitchen is over here. It's a galley kitchen. There is a little breakfast nook, and then you have a dining area. And then as you go up the stairs and over to the other side, then you're going to have the large laundry room, the second family room, which would be great for your kids to hang out. And then as you go upstairs, on the left side, there's 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and the bathrooms have been somewhat updated, and they're really nice sized bedrooms. Under the carpeting is hardwood floors, so you could pull those up and refinish the hardwoods. They're the original hardwood floors, and boy, do those refinish beautifully. And then on the other side, as you go over to the other side, you have an additional 3 bedrooms and another updated bathroom. Keep an open eye when you look at the house. It has so much opportunity, fresh paint, refinished wood floors, new windows. You can make this house amazing. All right, so let's go outside and look at the amazing backyard. Again, it's really 2 lots. They turned it all into 1 lot. It does have a basketball court here where the kids play basketball. It does also have a shed. And so the deer hang out here, but it has lots of opportunity to make it your own. So to recap, the address is 1945 40th Street. A hiking trail's close by. It has 6 bedrooms, 2 updated bathrooms, a nice kitchen, a big laundry room with new flooring. So if you have any questions, message me here and I'll get right back to you. I'm Teddy Sue with Remax First.